to learn cooking. This is video original from me, and this is just for you who are lazy to cook. Before continuing this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If my video useful, please share. Okay? For the first is, you can different spice. You know where is a chili, where is a sugar, and where is a ginger and others. You have to memorize all of it. If you can memorize, at least you understand about shape and smells. If you practice every day, I'm sure you can. You understand about all of spice. For the second is knowing how to cook. This is a very important. And if you know different spice, I think you know how to cook. But you don't flip over about spice. For the example, sugar looks salt and chili looks leek. Be careful, yes. The people who eat can vomit later. And you don't just cook noodle, but you have to try about the others for cooking. Yes. The third is cooking using mood. Why I choose a cooking using mood? Because if you bad mood, your cooking is very messy. For the example in Indonesian language is ambiar. Yes, seriously, this is a trick for you. And here I give a trick according to my feelings. You can to try about it. The fourth is don't doubt the result. If you're cooking, you don't doubt the result because usually that feeling signify everything. You have to be sure your cooking is good. Your cooking is very delicious, especially if you cook for your parents, for your new parents, or chamber maybe. Be careful. You don't something. For the example, like this. No, I'm shy. No, I can. But even though you can, don't let your cooking fall apart because of that problems. Yes. The last is if you fail, keep trying. You have to think. You have to be sure. You have to be sure you can. Keep practicing every day. Not just 1 or 2 days, but make a cooking is your hobby. Force it. You can. Make it a daily routine. If you failed yesterday, you can to try this today and every day until it's your cooking is very delicious. Okay, that's 5 tricks for me. And the last, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.